Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with a 1000 lumen little keyring light from EagleTac. It's called the DX3E Teeny, and it really is nice and small, fit on your keyrings, no drama at all. So let's get into it. So first of all, comes in the normal EagleTac packaging, little teeny light. Like I said, maximum 1000 lumens output from this tiny little torch, which is absolutely fantastic. You get your user manual here with all the instructions on how to get it. It will come locked out, so if you've got it and you're clicking it and it's not working for you, just read the instructions there and it'll show you how to unlock it. You get your USB-C to USB-A charging cable, so it is quick charge at 5 volt 1 amp. Just a little note here, it does come with a USB-C cover for your charging port there, but you're just going to want to make sure that you don't lose that. Unfortunately, they haven't made it sort of stick in there or have a little attachment. So yeah, you just got to make sure you keep that with you or put it in a safe space for when you are done charging, you can put it back on, just to keep that IPX rating up. Comes with a nice little keyring attachment and also a little sort of clip carabiner sort of thing, which is great because then you can just put it on your keys and take it off really easy, so you don't have to carry your keys around if you want to use it outside or and around your car while your sort of car's on or something like that. But yeah, definitely a great little keyring light from EagleTac. So like I said, 1000 lumens max output. It's running on an SST20 cool white chip with a kind of like a little TIR reflector here. So it does a great job really spreading that light out, which is, I reckon, what you want from a keyring light. You don't want it to be super spotty or anything like that, or super washed out. You want to get a little bit of distance and then just a really nice uniform pattern. And I think the little teeny does a great job. There is so many modes on this, so it's got 8 modes there. So starting at your sort of low end, you've got your 1 lumen, and then it sort of goes up to your 5 lumens, and up to your 15 lumens. So that's sort of your low range. They're great usable lights for something if you're trying to find your keys or trying to find a lock or just anything really up close, or you're in sort of a really dark area like a tent or something like that. Those low modes are going to be perfect. Jumping up to the bigger modes, you got your 50 lumens, up to your 100 lumens, up to your 200 lumens. So yeah, those medium modes are going to be more enough to sort of walk around, see everything around you for sure, and sort of just punches out to that sort of 5 meter range as well. So especially like I could light up a whole car on those medium modes and have no dramas with it at all. Then you jump up to your 470 lumens and your max 1000 lumens output. So you got your 470 on high, and then your turbos, your 1000 lumens max. And yeah, it really is a super bright output for such a tiny little light. As you can see, I mean, that's going to be no drama carrying around your keys at all. Might look a bit bigger there, but if you've got your keys around, it's going to be more than comfortable to put in a pocket with some keys and know that you got a super bright light in your pocket for sure. One thing to note, I think if you're going to carry it around all the time, sort of make sure you lock that thing out regularly, because there's that little button there. I reckon if you had it in a pocket or something like that, it might get hit a bit. So yeah, make sure you lock that out, which is just sort of a long hold for about 4 seconds. And then you sort of comes on at that low mode there. And then you can cycle up from there. And then it's another long hold to just sort of get back into your lockout mode. So it's definitely worth locking it out, or trying to remember to lock it out as much as possible, just so it doesn't turn on in your pocket. Nice generous sort of either lanyard hole or keyring hole at the back here, so you don't have to sort of use the attachments they give you. You can just put a lanyard through there, or just a regular keyring as well. So heaps of functionality here. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you do lose this, I wouldn't think. Just to keep that IPX6 rating, you want to keep that as tight and clean as possible. But I wouldn't think it's the end of the world if it's just living in your pocket, just living on your keys. I don't think it's the end of the world if it's sort of lost, but don't get it around water if it is lost. Max run times, you're going to look at around that 150 hours for those low modes, those 5 lumen outputs, which is a huge amount of run time for such a little light, which is great for when it's on your keys. You don't want to be recharging it sort of every single day when you're using it for 2 seconds to look for keyring hole or something like that, or shine through your car. So yeah, the long run times on those really low modes is fantastic. You're going to get around that 40 minutes run time on the really high outputs, which again is actually not too bad for such a tiny light with a quite a small battery in there. Yeah, it's great great run times. I found on the 1000 lumens and the high lumen outputs, like the 450 lumens, it didn't get too hot. It was quite cold out when I was sort of testing it, so it didn't get quite hot in the hand. But I mean, I could imagine if you had it on for that 40 minutes on those high modes, it is going to get quite warm, just being such a tiny light with no heat dispersion. So it's just something to keep in mind. I reckon it's perfect for running those smaller sort of around your house sort of little tasks where you sort of don't want to search for a big light, or you don't have a light on you and you don't want to use your phone light. I reckon this is a great alternative. Tons brighter than a phone light. It's going to throw out way further, and yeah, it's just a perfect companion to have with your keys, I reckon. So definitely go check out the DX3E Teeny from EagleTac. It'll just be a great addition to your car keys or home keys or anything like that. So I'll drop a link below. Go check it out. You can see the whole EagleTac range from there. And thanks for watching this one. Please feel free to like, subscribe. Really helps the channel out. Got new content coming out all the time, so keep yourself up to date. And I'll catch you on the next one.